Gold and Bitcoin. Yes, we are going to quickly take a quick look at the shiny metal gold and the father of all cryptos, the Bitcoin, where they are now and what to expect. Last week was extremely bullish for gold and Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin, as we had some serious moves to the upside. From what we have right in front of us, you would see, first of all, now, from the left-hand side, first of all, this is gold on the weekly time frame. And all the way to the left-hand side, you can see some areas here of resistance, resistance, resistance. So you see that this resistance level goes way back all the way to the year 2020. So over 4 years, this level of 2080 is yet to be broken to the upside. Is this the year that we're going to have it break from resistance and then turn to support? Or is it going to bounce and then drop down? Who knows? Another thing we also need to pay attention to is the news. As we always say, check the calendar to find out what's coming out later. And you can see for this week, we have a lot of news for the dollar, for the USD. And of course, on Friday, we have the non-farm payroll. So that means that for the gold and shiny metal, the gold, shiny metal, and the father of all cryptos, the Bitcoin, we should be expecting some movement this week, right? And of course, always expect the unexpected in the market. So this is gold over here. And if you look at from the daily time frame, you can see the bullish moves, right? From Friday, this was Friday's candle, this massive candle. And of course, if you continue to drop down to lower time frames, you'll see how smooth the bullish move has been. And one could have easily taking advantage on the pullbacks because when you're trading in a bullish market, you simply wait for the pullback to the areas of supply, or rather, sorry, to the areas of support, or maybe even demand. And then you get your entry and then watch it push higher and higher the more. And this was the case for gold over here. And if you look at Bitcoin, as we said, they are both in very key significant levels also from here, dating back to 2021, you can see we had resistance, resistance, and now at the same area of resistance. So the question is it going to break to the upside or is it going to bounce? But this area here of 64K is a significant area to pay attention to. So if you're looking forward to selling, since now is at the weekly resistance, if you're looking forward to selling, I would always advise that you drop down time frames and then start to look for something that could give you some signal for selling. You can see when it got to these areas, you can see the inside bars that we're having. So there could be some little clues here. These inside bars, if you drop down to some time frames, maybe like 4 hours or hourly, it might most likely start to look like a range, right? And we're going to do that now and have a quick look. If you look very well, we're having a sort of range here and it has broken to the upside. But then we need to also ensure that we wait for market to give us further clues. Here could easily be a resistance here, and then price is now back here. So you could be looking forward to selling here, but then you need price action candlestick pattern like a bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar or hammer in order to take it back down. So you could use this hourly or 4 hours time frame to look for something for entry, or you can as well drop down to the hourly time frame to refine it a bit more. The choice is yours, and then see whether you could get like a discounted entry. But you know that at this area, major resistance, you have the backing here. You have confluence to sell and then hold it all the way down. And then you have a wedge over here. But whatever the choice is, always ensure you protect your accounts accordingly by using proper stop loss and of course calculating your lot size volume in order to minimize your losses. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell. Okay, thank you guys. Do enjoy the rest of the day and ensure to trade safely. There is going to be serious volatility in the market this week, especially for the US dollar. Okay, thank you guys and goodbye for now. Cheers.